Namaste and welcome to a new video with Simply Kaushiki. Today I want to share some of my favorite zero cost storage hacks that have made my life as a homemaker so much easier. I'll also be sharing a very delicious eggless cake recipe along with few tips. It's been raining a lot lately in Mumbai, though I love watching rain, but each year during this season, my home craves for extra TLC. I finished sanitizing all the jars and canisters last night under the fan. There is absolutely minimal sunlight here right now. Amidst of all this, I realize how much I use the zero cost organizer and decor ideas in my kitchen. Like for instance, these pretty labels that you see on my glass jar. It's a very easy DIY which I have shown in one of my previous videos. These add a very beautiful personal touch to your kitchen. I like adding silica gel packs on the lid of my food jars to protect food spoilage due to moisture. These plastic packing clips have become an essential in my kitchen, and I like to store these in these takeaway boxes. I don't add any lid to these boxes and it makes easy grab and go.
Wings are beating, baby, me and you.
I have lots of trays and some of them are not in best shape. But now one of them holds my stand mixer in this kitchen corner. Pulling this heavy machine is a breeze now, and it's almost like giving these old tray a new lease of life. Keeping my counter absolutely clutter free too. I use rubbing alcohol to sanitize my appliances in rainy season. While cleaning the appliances, one must think of all touch points, crevices, as well as cords and plugs.
Through the arbor, in the garden room.
I use wooden boards to create additional layer in my cabinets. This is a simple trick that has doubled the storage space, making it easy to see and reach everything. I just feel like I'm turning a single story house into a duplex for my pantry items. Cardboard boxes don't have to be eyesore. With a little bit of packing paper and some creativity, they can become into a beautiful decorative storage solution. And each time when you do something like this, it almost feels like turning an ugly pumpkin into a Cinderella carriage. Honestly, I love these because they have transformed this monstrous chore of laundry into a beautiful, happy space. Here is a quick tip for you. If you're using boxes to organize in a file fold method, turn them vertically and everything will fit neatly without much effort. This is another great storage solution. I have used these detergent boxes instead of throwing them away to hold and store small knickknacks and household items. It is one of the great ways to recycle things and keep all little knickknacks tidy and in place.
Coffee in a paper cup. The engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow.
Old plastic bottles can be repurposed to store cleaning supplies. I love using these juice bottles and with these DIY labels to keep everything organized in laundry area.
Dream, little darling, you're safe in my arms. I'll hold you tight. Dream, little.
I have to make something for Ishi for snacks, and I was thinking of making an eggless whole wheat cake, which I can use later tomorrow for her lunchbox as well. It's a simple and a very forgiving recipe if you keep few pointers in mind. Like take out everything you need and bring it to the room temperature. Measure the dry ingredients really carefully. Do not overfill or underfill your measurement cups. If possible, use a weighing scale, but if you're still using measuring cup, measure your dry ingredients just the way I'm showing you in this video.
We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around.
Your dry ingredients are different types of flour, then your baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder, all these are dry ingredients. And each time when you are measuring, make sure it is leveled. Whenever you are using dry ingredients, either whisk it or sift your dry ingredients for a lighter and a fluffier cake. Also, keep your dry ingredients and wet ingredients separate, at least till you feel that you are a beginner baker. This is very important. Sugar is not a dry ingredient, it is a wet ingredient, and you have to mix it with wet ingredients. Before you just start all the process, keep your oven preheated. Here is a cleaning hack. Keep a pot filled with water and keep soaking all the utensils that you have used during making of the cake. After cleanup will be a breeze. Do not overfill your pan and use spatula. Spatula are best friends of bakers. Organization does not have to look like a Pinterest board. An ice cream box can be a perfect container for storing dustbin bags. It's sturdy and it's just the right size, making it easy to grab a bag whenever you need one. Just make a slit with a hot sharp knife. Just be extra careful while doing this DIY. These large premix bottles of Ishi has been a faithful friend in organizing all my kitchen supplies like sponges, silica packets, scrubs and whatnot. And the other one I use to hold all the extra dustbin bags that I have in around my kitchen. If you don't like using glass bottles for food, then you can always use them to store cleaning ingredients and supplies. Here is the most difficult tip for baking. Let the cake cool down completely before slicing. And also cover the cake while it's cooling down. It just makes sure that all the moisture in the cake remains intact. If you've missed last time's video, here is what we changed around the house. And if you have watched till here, then please don't leave without subscribing, liking, or best leaving a cake emoji in the comments so that I know that you have watched till here. I will leave you with a conversation over cake and paranthas. One or two?
Two.
Two pieces.
Like I told you.
Cake को लेकर always good.
Okay, you can make paratha.
Okay, I'll make parathas for you.
Chini paratha?
I can hear that.
Or normal parathas with something else.
Vegetable paratha?
Please, no, just normal paratha.